Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. Wow, aspirant mom. Yes, I hope everyone is doing great. And yeah, now we are at the end part of this year, and I'm very grateful that this year was a bliss, completely a blissful year, and with a lot of memories. And this video is also one of those memories. Yes, this video is all about the Children's Day, how I celebrated in school, being a teacher. So, as usual, I have started the day with the sketch, and yeah, I have sketched Jawaharlal Nehruji, and I don't think it came out well. And this was a clip from rehearsal day. Yes, that's me doing some of the dance steps along with the kids. Yes, and yeah, watching this clip, I feel that I have put on so much of weight this year. I have to work on that.
Yes, that's it. Yes.
Here the program starts with the Ganesh Stuti performance done by one of my student, and to your notice that this was actually choreographed by me. Yes, I'm a classical dancer, I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. So, though she was new, she never ever in her life has stepped on with gungrus on stage, but yeah, still she tried, and I really appreciate her, the sense of trying new things. Really, I appreciate this girl on stage because it was really her first time, and she has really did a tremendous performance on that day. She really gave a great performance, and that was unbelievable. I thought she might get a little tense, but she didn't. So yeah, I feel I should tap on my back for that. And that was one of the clip which one of my colleague has captured me dancing backstage. Though I was hosting the show, but still I made up to do some of the dance steps behind the stage, yes, along with the kids. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video.